Hey, did you see Alia Bhatt's wedding picture? Wasn't she looking gorgeous? So what are your thoughts on her sari, hair, accessories? If you want to know more, come let's decode her look. Who are we? We are Bling Bag, your one-stop jewelry destination for Bollywood-inspired and premium quality jewelry in 50 plus color options to perfectly match your designer outfit. Our job is to make your job easy. Let's get started with today's video. So when Alia Bhatt's wedding picture came live on Instagram, it created a buzz. So there were two opinions of people. Some thought she's not looking like a bride, it's very minimal. Some thought, oh wow, what she has done is exceptionally good and she looks very gorgeous. So comment and tell us what are your thoughts on her look. Talking about her hair, we have seen all the Bollywood brides, they do not leave their hair open, but they rather prefer tying the hair or the bun. In a longer time, we have seen this for the first time that a bride has kept her hair open, had made a statement with that. But do you think this trend is gonna carry forward? Personally, in my opinion, I don't think so. Upcoming brides are gonna carry forward this trend because a lot of us, we prefer tying a bun or doing something with the hair but making sure we don't keep our hairs open, and a lot of Indian culture also follow the same rule. So this trend might not follow up well. Talking about the second part is her Mangal Sutra. If you have a keen eye, you wouldn't have missed her minimal Mangal Sutra, which looked amazingly gorgeous. And we have the very same Mangal Sutra at Bling Bag, which is flashing on the screen. So these days, a lot of brides are preferring to go with minimal Mangal Sutras. Minimal Mangal Sutras are perfect if you want to wear them post-wedding. If you can wear such Mangal Sutras to work, to party, to basically anywhere, because they look very dainty, very pretty, and they basically match with every other outfit as well. So number third is talking about her sari. As you've seen, a lot of Bollywood brides, they prefer to wear lehenga. We more prefer wearing lehenga on the fairas, but she has taken the game out and she is wearing an ivory color sari, which has made a statement. Personally, I really love that sari and the color she wore. The next thing is that she wore a sheesh patti, which was a statement. Something which she wore here is called a sheesh patti, which also had a matha tikka, which looked amazingly beautiful, and that was the star of the show. A lot of brides, they prefer wearing mang tika, but then sheesh patti is something which created a lot of statement into her outfit. So if you're gonna be a bride soon, you should totally inculcate this sheesh patti. If you're not into sheesh patti, do not worry. We have a similar mang tika flashing on the screen, which looks similar to what she wore, so you can of course definitely style this. By the way, all the products I'm talking about are from Bling Bag and they are linked in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. Do not forget to visit our website because we have amazing jewelry collection there. And the other statement piece she wore was her neck piece. Did you see that? It was a 3-layer necklace. It was a Sabyasachi necklace which had real diamond. But of course, not everybody can afford real diamonds, so Bling Bag has got you a very similar piece. It is a Kundan jewelry set which would look absolutely stunning. It is gonna fill up your neck area very well. Coming to her hand accessories, she wore a lot of bangles into both of her hands, and you would see the similar thing in Katrina's Kaif wedding. She also did the same, so that trend has carried forward. So if you're planning to create a look like her, all you need is an ivory sari and a good ivory blouse which has golden detailing, because that is what she opted for. And you need a sheesh patti which is a little broad than usual. Of course, you can wear chudas. She wore 3 red chudas and other were all Kundan Polki chudas. Golden chudas you can get anywhere. Talking about the minimal Mangal Sutra, and we have got you there. Bling Bag has amazing variety of minimal Mangal Sutras. I would be linking in the description box below, so feel free to check that out. And I'm so sure you're gonna definitely love our design. Next is a statement necklace, which you can also find it on Bling Bag. So basically, with the golden and ivory sari, you need a Kundan necklace which has diamond and golden based detailing, which is flashing on the screen, and it is available on Bling Bag. So that was pretty much easy to decode Alia's wedding look. Comment your thoughts below because a lot of people have different opinions. And you know what's the main thing that created a buzz about Alia's wedding is her no makeup look, which is very rare among Indian brides. Of course, she's wearing makeup, but she has kept it very minimal, very summer appropriate, which is looking more gorgeous on her. So that is all. That was a mini review from our end. So what were your thoughts when you saw Alia's wedding images at first? Comment and we would love to know that. That is all. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit like on this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to hit the bell button right next to the subscribe button, so every time we upload a video you get notified, and we would see you in our next one. Bye.